Pomfret is a popular fish that has made waves in culinary circles, particularly in Asian cuisines. Known for its delicate flavor and tender texture, this fish not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's dive into the many medical advantages of incorporating pomfret into your diet. Rich in nutrients, pomfret, whether it's the black pomfret, white pomfret, or silver pomfret, is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. A single serving of pomfret provides a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. These fatty acids help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Moreover, pomfret is low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Bone health. One of the standout features of pomfret is its mineral content. This fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus, both of which play a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Calcium is essential for bone density, while phosphorus aids in the formation of bones and teeth. Regular consumption of pomfret can help prevent osteoporosis and promote overall bone health, making it an excellent dietary choice, especially for aging populations. Boosting brain function. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in pomfret doesn't just benefit the heart, it also has significant implications for brain health. Studies have shown that omega-3s can enhance cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Additionally, the DHA docosahexaenoic acid found in pomfret is vital for brain development in children, making it an ideal food for growing families. Supports immune health. Eating pomfret can also bolster your immune system. This fish is rich in selenium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in the proper functioning of the immune system. Selenium helps prevent cell damage and enhances the body's ability to fight off infections. Additionally, pomfret contains various vitamins, including vitamins A and D, which contribute to a healthy immune response. Promotes healthy skin and hair. The nutrients found in pomfret can be a boon for your skin and hair. The omega-3 fatty acids help maintain skin hydration and elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals in pomfret can promote hair growth and strength, giving you that lustrous look we all desire. Easy to digest. Another advantage of pomfret is its digestibility. This fish is light and easy on the stomach, making it suitable for people of all ages, including those recovering from illness or surgery. Its soft texture and mild flavor can be appealing to children and those who may be sensitive to stronger fish flavors. Versatile culinary uses. From grilling to steaming and frying, pomfret can be prepared in a multitude of ways, allowing it to fit seamlessly into various diets. Its ability to absorb flavors makes it a favorite in many recipes, whether you prefer spicy curries or simple grilled dishes. This versatility means that adding pomfret to your meal rotation can be both enjoyable and beneficial to your health. Conclusion. In summary, pomfret is not just a delicious fish, it is a powerhouse of nutrients that offers a plethora of health benefits. From promoting heart health and supporting brain function to enhancing skin and hair quality, incorporating pomfret into your diet can be a wise choice. So, the next time you're planning a meal, consider this nutritious fish and enjoy the myriad of benefits it offers.